Hi folks, I thought you'd just like to see some of the work that's going on the new firearms training facility here at Staffordshire Police. It's taken a few years getting to this point, but within weeks, as you can see, we've got a frame up and it's quite a big project. This is a huge investment, very important investment in training the officers that are right at the sharp end in keeping you safe in Staffordshire. It's about protecting over 1 million people going forward, making sure everybody has the necessary training and they can respond as quickly as they need to. And don't we know how important that is after the terrible attack on the Manchester synagogue and on the train at Huntingdon. This is about keeping Staffordshire safe for years to come.